Hello, everyone. My name is Joshua Bush, and I focused this assignment on the elementary school that I have been doing my observation hours in. The Vista is in Claremont Unified. It's right above the 10 freeway off of Indian Hill. And their vision and mission statement coincide with the district's academic goals, which really focus on challenging students and allowing the stakeholders, community members, parents, teachers, staff to be really involved with the strengthening of their students' academic success. The school itself focuses on impressing on the students that hard work and rigor will pay off. They every morning with their announcements, one of the last things they say or is in there somewhere is that hard work pays off. The school's demographic is 74% Hispanic or Latino, and about 20% are African American, Asian, Filipino, white. The school has a multicultural day, which from what I was hearing other teachers talking about was that months ahead of the multicultural day, where the parents are invited to see the individual classrooms present a culture from around the world, that the students spend a month or two learning about this culture and having to do projects and reports to teach everyone as much as they can before they present it to their parents and the rest of the school. The academic performance of the school in both English, language arts, and mathematics are above the state standard, but they oddly fluctuate within the years. Every year it has gone up and down. It looks like a zigzag when you look at the data. And when I asked about it, the teachers haven't changed. So I wasn't able to get a clear answer as to why it fluctuated so much, but even when they fluctuate, they still exceed the state standards. The strengths of the school are their music program, because a lot of music programs have been lost in elementary schools, but looking at their budget, the school gets funded from the district's I can't remember the grant name, but they asked the state for a grant, and that ensures that Vista gets a music teacher, and I can't remember how much money to either loan or buy instruments for the school. The school is also a huge advocate, because they get a lot of tutors for their students from the Claremont colleges, which is right up the street, about not a few miles away. So Claremont College, they offer their students financial aid, work study, or volunteer hours to help tutor students at Vista. They don't call it a PTA, they call it a PFA, their Parent Faculty Association, is very strong. They support their students with lots of after school activities. Every time I was there, I saw a handful of parents volunteering in classrooms. They're very, very passionate about helping their students, and that's a testament to the school because they ensure that parents are coming in and volunteering and feeling welcome at their children's school. The district also has monthly meetings that are only for parents to help them with supporting their students' academic success, um, having mental health and well-being workshops that either focus on the parents' mindset or their children's mindset. The district also encourages parents to volunteer on various committees for the district, and during the summer they also offer parenting workshops, which I didn't know until I started looking into the district website. The school itself won a gold award for their PBIS program, which is all over the school. There's be respectful, be responsible, and be safe. The 3 Bs, as they call them, are all over the school in every single classroom. iPads are also in every classroom. The school hasn't yet reached one-to-one for every single individual student, but each classroom is guaranteed the iPad carts. I know the kindergarten teachers share one, and they and their computer lab also has them. They are trying to get the iPads for every student, but given the pandemic and how things change fiscally for the school, I don't know how fast they're going to be able to get them. Their PLCs for the teachers happens every Wednesday after the shortened day for the students, and just from me asking the kindergarten teacher I've been working with, she has found them very insightful. She really likes the PLCs that the school offers for the teachers. The school also has an RTI program which ensures that either behavior or academic intervention is taken quickly for any student that has had problems, and the school offered every teacher the Keegan Cooperative Learning Strategies workshop. Cooperative learning is a big deal to the school, and the principal goes and has meetings with each teacher to check on how they're implementing the strategies in their classrooms. However, there are weaknesses. There's a growing number of families that are coming in around the poverty line. About 67% of the students have free or reduced lunch. Like I said before, the school does well in their benchmarks, but the fluctuation of their rates is, I don't know if it's alarming, but it is a point of discussion, but I haven't had anyone tell me exactly why that happens. There was no special ed teacher for upper grade students. So if there's a student that has uh, major needs, they have to go to a different school. And also, absenteeism is slowly and steadily increasing, and with only about 300 kids, 6% are chronically absent, and that is a growing trend in the school. I focused opportunities on the school and district's response to the COVID pandemic. Um, the district has offered a wide variety of free and paid for websites that students and parents can access for online learning during the summer. The district also offers both the students and parents a wide range of mental health resources on their website, and they and everything is in English. Well, most things are in English or Spanish for the students and parents to access. The threats, one major one is what will the pandemic do for the upcoming school year in terms of the budget, social distancing requirements, and how or what the district will do regarding the technology and either the need for want of a hybrid or all online model for next year is just very up in the air right now. The schools, families, populations are coming in with lots of socioeconomic challenges, which has increased within like the 5 years, within the last 5 years. And also because of the uncertainty of how much technology and online learning the district and school will do, the fact that every student does not have a dedicated one-to-one device is also an issue. To combat the chronic absenteeism, the school and district should reach out to parents, ask informally, how they can support them. I've seen a few websites where there's carpooling. Parents kind of did a Uber type of thing, but more of a parent outreach should happen at the school to see what and why there's so many students absent. This school and district should find the means to get these one-to-one devices in the hands of their students to make sure that they all will be able to do distance learning if that is what the upcoming school year is going to look like. I would, if I could, recommend a hybrid model at the very least for the next school year. Just even if the cases slowed down and declined significantly, just for more peace of mind for parents and students and teachers, I would recommend that they did a hybrid instruction model to ensure social distancing. Also, the PFA is very strong, but they don't have a lot of parents involved. I only see like the same parents. They should reach out to other parents to get more parents involved. The resources I have, if you click the hyperlinks, everything will go to what is listed. That's my presentation. Thank you.